How's it going, everyone? This is Todd from ashotofadrenaline.net, and today we're going to be doing a leg workout called the double pistol leg workout. So two different exercises, the pistol squat and then what I call the kneeling pistol, which I'll show you in a second. So come join me for this workout. If you haven't already downloaded my free bodyweight training program, you can do so right here, and it's totally free, and I give you a 3-month bodyweight training program to follow. So come join me.
This first exercise is called the pistol squat. So you'll be squatting on one leg with the other foot up in the air. Now this exercise has to do with strength, but it also has to do with flexibility and balance. So it's a great exercise for working on both of those as well. Now if you can't do the pistol squat, or you can't get down far enough, you can go ahead and place one foot on the ground like you see me do here. So it gives you a little bit more balance and stability as you do the exercise, and you don't need to come down as far. So go at your own pace and your own level. Now this next exercise is called the kneeling pistol. It's an exercise that I created and really works the quads as well as the glutes. You see the bucket that I have behind me. I'm using that just to help with balance. You don't need that if you're really working on your balance, but again, keep your foot off the ground and kneel down and then kneel back up.
Alright everyone, so let's go ahead and get started with the workout. We're going to start off with our right leg with our pistol squats. Again, if you can't do the full pistol squat, make sure to rest that other leg on the ground. So we're going to max out. We're going to do as many as we can. Alright, let's go. 1. Just started the timer. Don't want to do that yet. 2. 3. If you have to put your foot on the ground, that's totally fine. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. Keep going, guys. 10. 11. 12. Alright, I'm stopping there. So these are a little bit more difficult with balance. Keep your right leg on the ground and then get something to hold on to. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. Alright, feel that real quick, don't you? Again, we're doing 3 sets onto our left leg. Pistols. I did 12 with the first, with the right. Let's see how many do I do with the left. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. Oh, I didn't even get 6. Alright, we're switching over. Putting this on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, now we start the timer. 1 minute on the clock. Get a quick swig of water. That's totally fine if you have a little bit of muscular imbalance. Just spend a little bit more time on it, on that opposite leg. So you could add a simple exercise to that other leg and really work on strengthening that. So because we do want muscular imbalance, but sometimes it's more a balance issue, sometimes it's a strength issue. So it could be a lot of different things. I'll keep stretching out. I know I'm sitting here resting. Get those legs stretched out. We got 2 more sets. You can do just like this. Stretch them out. You could get into this hold, stretch it out. All right, I heard the timer. Now, of course, we're gonna do fewer with this one. All right, starting off with the right. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Keep going. 4. I'm gonna count that one. 5. Go harder next time. 6. I just lost my balance. 7. All right. That's my max for that one. All right, hit it hard with the kneeling pistols. There's 2, 3, 4. Okay, maxed out at 4. Get a little few grass stains. That's perfectly fine. 1, 2. Love the balance, don't you? 3. Okay, 3. I got to 3. What'd you get to? Keep doing the best you can. That's all we can ask for. All right, we're here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. One more set. Then the double pistol leg workout is done. Great job. Get the legs stretched out. Again, the dynamic movement is what you want during your workout. That's the key. Get a little bit of water in. Make sure to stretch out. Again, let me know what you think of these videos. Are you enjoying them? Are they too difficult? I really try at the beginning during the exercise tutorial session to really teach you some modifications. If the pistols or the kneeling pistol is too much, you can back off, you can adjust and work your way up to the full pistol or to the full kneeling pistol. Again, you always want to modify it. Always go at your own level, at your own fitness pace. All right, that was 1 minute. Last set, let's go. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep going. 6. Alright, that's it. Go straight into your kneeling pistol. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stretch that leg out. Get that leg stretched out. Alright. Left leg. Then we're done. Get that out of the way. 1, 2. That's 3. I'm counting it. I can't count that one. That would be cheating. See the sweat pouring down? Man, short workouts, totally fine if you bring your intensity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job. Ladies and gentlemen, you're done with the double leg pistol workout, or double pistol workout. Thanks for joining me. This is a shot of adrenaline. Again, make sure to comment and check out the different workouts that I've got on a shot of adrenaline. You can find the my free body weight training program right up here. Click on it. You can download it totally for free. And again, thanks for joining me, guys. Have a great one.